If you're looking to simplify your life without sacrificing any of your comfort, this is the house to see. Welcome to Shadow Moss, a community known for easy living and true lock and leave lifestyle. No yard work, no weekend projects, just more time to enjoy your days, and there's even a community pool. At 109 Wild Thorn Way, everything has already been taken care of for you. There's fresh paint. The layout is designed for comfort and simplicity with spaces that feel open, functional, and easy to maintain. The updates are already taken care of. There's new flooring throughout, updated countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances. You can be the first one to use the stove. You can move in and start your easy living from day one. The living room and sunroom will quickly become your favorite spots. Morning coffee, afternoon reading, quiet evenings. This home screams easy. And the location makes it even better, right in Five Forks. That's close to shopping, dining, the airport, the interstates, everything you could possibly need without the hassle. Homes like this, maintenance-free, move-in ready, and under $500,000 don't last. So if you're ready for less upkeep and more living, let's get you inside. Make sure to text me, call me, or email me. I'm Angela Rodriguez at Encore Realty, and I would love to help you downsize.